How's it going? Kyler with Texas Marine here. Today we're going to take a look at this 2021 SunTracker 22-foot Party Barge Deluxe XP3. This is a beautiful boat, very low freshwater hours. Come on, walk with me. This boat has very low freshwater hours. It has 47 hours to be exact. Freshwater only on this 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke motor. And yeah, let's hop inside. All right, so we're where you will be spending the majority of your time whenever you're out on the water, running around, going from spot to spot, going tubing, all that good stuff. And the first thing you're really gonna notice is this Garmin depth finder that you have. You're gonna be able to have depth, you're gonna have downscan for finding fish if you wanted to do some fishing. You're also gonna have GPS, maps, all of that good thing. And another cool feature that you don't really see on a lot of pontoon boats is right here in the back of the boat, you have a huge layout sun pad, something that like you would see on a ski boat or something of that nature. Big sun pad, and underneath it, you flip this up and you can either convert this into a changing room, bathroom, or use it to store your tables that go into the bottom of the boat like I have done here. One thing that you may not see, but you'll definitely hear in this boat is this bazooka Bluetooth speaker. You got a ton of lights on it. Amazing sound. This boat will be rocking whenever you're out at the cove, hanging out, partying. Whenever you're pulling the kids on the tube, they'll be jamming.
When you ride with me.